So is windshield repair and replacement included in your auto coverage? Hi everyone, this is Peter and welcome to How To Insurance, helping you understand insurance, building confidence for your future. So a little while ago, I got a call from a client who said, I just had something hit my windshield and it shattered. Am I covered? And it's a really good question. It's something we should all keep in mind on what happens if we need a windshield repair or replacement. So here's the quick answer. Yes, windshield repair is always included in your auto coverage, and usually for free without even making a claim. It's just super simple. If you have a little tiny chip, maybe a semi truck hit a rock up in your car and it hit the windshield and it chipped a little bit, you can get that repaired for free. Contact your insurance broker or carrier and that can be done. Now, if your windshield needs replacement, that's a bigger thing, and the answer is no. It's not usually covered under your auto insurance. Normally you would have to pay out of pocket or pay a deductible. So here's a conversation about deductibles. If you have a high deductible, you always want to add the glass feature. For example, if you have a comprehensive deductible of $500 or more, I would always recommend adding that glass feature so that you don't have to pay anything, or maybe just $50 for a glass claim like your windshield. Now, a windshield could cost between $250 and $350, so you don't want to have to pay a $500 deductible for that. But if you add that glass feature, you can make the claim and either get it done for free or for $50. So here's your next steps. Contact your insurance broker. Next is add the glass feature onto your comprehensive deductible. Maybe raise that comp deductible. And lastly, then you can sit back and knowing that you've built confidence for your future. If today was helpful, please like and share this, and then check me out at appleinsuranceSolutions.com. You can contact me there because insurance is confusing, but I want to make it simple. And as your insurance broker, all your insurance needs can be covered in one relationship, building confidence for your future.